So now guys, we will going to talk about API business blueprint. Okay. So inside this topic, we will going to teach you what are the two amazing methods to make money with API. So first method is to start building and selling API, and on this topic this course is all about. Okay, so we will going to basically build one API and we will going to sell that API, right? And then the second thing is that you have to a second method is that you can just build some online tools, okay, or SaaS website based on APIs. Now I will show you with example. Okay, so basically inside this course we will go with this topic, that is building and selling API. So here we will going to teach you how you can build API, how you can promote that API, and how you can sell it. That is what we will going to cover inside this course. So by using the method 1, okay, you may face lot many questions as well, like you don't have any API, like which API to create, how to promote, everything. Okay, so these are all the doubts which you will going to have, but do not worry, we will going to provide you exact solution which you need to do. Okay, and step by step solution will be provided to you, how to get idea which type of API to create, how to sell that API. So each and everything will be taught to you inside this course. You just need to watch from starting to end. Okay, and then my friends, using this method 1, we will going to use 3 steps. First is that we will going to build API. Second will be that we will going to publish, sorry, it's public, written, it's publish basically. Okay, so we will going to publish this API. Okay, and the third thing is that we will going to sell this API with some membership. Now how I mean to say, see here, you will see that many Instagram hashtag generator. Okay, so you can see that there are many Instagram hashtag generator tools. So now these tools are created with AI, or I can say APIs. Okay, and these APIs you can just purchase from, let's say, Rapid API, like this. Okay, so basically you can see this person is API creator, and this is what I will going to teach you, how you can become API creator. Okay, so you can just create this type of APIs, you can sell it on websites like Rapid API, and we will also going to talk about more websites. So you can just sell your API here, so other developers or programmers will come here. Okay, on this website they will just purchase your API. And how you will going to make money, it's simple. If you will see here pricing, so you can see that this person who has created this API, he is charging a subscription, like you can just charge basic, that is free. Okay, and pro it will going to cost this much, and ultra. So similarly you can build one API, you can publish that API on this marketplace, and you can just charge on the basis of subscription, like this. And I will going to teach you how you can do each and everything, how you can create APIs, how you can promote it, how you can publish it. Each and everything will be taught to you inside this course. Okay, so that is what this first module, that is building and selling API, is all about, right? Or you can even build some online tools or SaaS website, like this person has created this. Okay, he has also built API, or he has purchased the API from somewhere else. Okay, and using that API he has created this tool, right? So these are the tools, website you can also create if you want to. But this course is not about the second method. We will going to go with the first method, that is we will going to teach you how you can build one API. Okay, and how you can sell it on the marketplace like Rapid API, and how you can promote it, and how you can sell API with membership. So everything will be taught to you from scratch, step by step. Just watch the complete lecture from starting to end, and do not miss anything. Okay.